Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has initiated the process to dismiss Ronen Bar, head of the Shin Bet, the country's domestic security agency. This move marks the latest in a series of dismissals of senior officials following the deadly Hamas attack on October 7, 2023, which triggered the ongoing war in Gaza. Netanyahu has cited a crisis of confidence and the failure of these officials to prevent the attack as the reason for their removal. In response, Bar emphasized that his loyalty as Shin Bet chief is to the Israeli public and national security, not to the Prime Minister. He criticized Netanyahu's expectation of personal loyalty, arguing that it contradicts public interest and violates the Shin Bet law. Ronen Bar also reiterated his call for a state commission of inquiry to investigate the action of all relevant parties, including the government and Netanyahu, regarding the October 7 Hamas attack, which he described as critical for public security. Meanwhile, critics argue that the dismissals are part of a broader effort by Netanyahu to undermine independent government institutions. They claim that the Prime Minister is using these firings to boost his personal reputation and retain power amid ongoing corruption trials. The conflict between Netanyahu and Ronen Bar has been escalating for months. Bar, appointed by a previous government, has already acknowledged Shin Bet's failure in anticipating the Hamas assault. Despite this, a Shin Bet report also pointed to Netanyahu's own policies, accusing him of focusing too heavily on containing Hamas while neglecting other growing threats. Ronen Bar had planned to step down before his term ended in 2026. But Netanyahu's dismissal attempt has further complicated the situation. The tensions have also been heightened by the so-called Qatargate investigation, which is scrutinizing connections between Netanyahu's aides and the Qatari government. As these disputes intensify, the Attorney General has questioned Netanyahu's legal authority to remove Bar, asserting that Shin Bet should not serve the personal trust of the Prime Minister. Netanyahu in turn issued a warning letter, further raising concerns about the balance of powers in Israeli government, particularly during a time of a fatal war.